Hey guys, what's up? Good news. The studio is ongoing. We have a new space, we have more gear. We are working on some brand deals to see if we can actually have some good material for you guys to use, new cameras, new lights, new microphones, audio interfaces. Everything is working its way. It's been a lot of work. It's been a lot of hours and countless days of working our asses off to get things done. Portugal isn't a good country to build companies or to develop something because it takes a lot of time to get shit done. It's a pain in the ass, totally, but it's worth it. We are doing a studio with our souls and with our hearts, and it's been a lot of work. The first spot we had, we couldn't manage it, so thanks to a friend of mine, we found a new one. We are working with him and trying to make everything work smoothly now. Hopefully, in the next 3 months, we'll have an idea of how the studio will be. We are already moving things in place. We are working some brand deals. We are working with some other companies, with some other creators as well. We are trying to make this transition as smoothly as possible, and we are trying to make it as cozy as a studio can be while remaining professional in all cases. We want to have a space that's suitable for big companies and also small YouTubers or small creators that want to do something different and want to level up their game, basically. That's what I wish I had when I started. This is the best way I can give back to the community, let's say it this way. But yeah, it's been a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of hours, a lot of people saying we can't do it, a lot of criticism, a lot of negative people around, which is good because it gives us some strength to keep going. But yeah, I was just wanting to do this video because I haven't been making a lot of content lately because I haven't had the time to do it. I'm filming this. It's 1:20 in the morning, and I have to be up early tomorrow because I have work to do. But yeah, I just wanted to leave you guys here with a hopeful message that everything is gonna turn out perfect, and we'll make it happen. If not in the next few months, this year, you will have a studio you can work on and rely on for your work. But yeah, that's all for now. I'm sorry if it's a short little video. I just wanted to get some things off my chest because I have been working all the time, even if it doesn't look like it. Thanks for everybody that's supporting. Thanks for everybody that's behind the camera, looking at the content and my Instagram videos and everything. It means a lot, and it keeps me going. So yeah, love you guys and see you soon.